One thing we do while trolling is we try to utilize S-turns. Essentially, an S-turn is taking the boat and turning it at an aggressive, call it a 45-degree angle. And what that's going to do is that's going to make one side of the boat, it's going to make that side pull hard, and it's going to make the inside almost stall and stop. And what that does, it gives you a stop and go. It makes the baits do something a little different other than just pulling straight. And in waves, you get some of that herky-jerky, but that's not that stop and go that you get with an S-turn. Some refinements to doing S-turns is we like to use snap weights a lot when we're trolling. And what that snap weight does is it lets you shorten your length of line that you have out, where if you were just long lining and you've had hundreds of feet out, and when you do those S-turns, the baits don't react as much to those S-turns because you have a lot more line out. With that snap weight, you're achieving a lot less line out, and that helps you when reeling in fish. You don't have to reel in as much line, and also it helps that bait react a little more when you do those S-turns. So remember to try to utilize those S-turns when you're trolling anywhere, and hopefully you can get more bites.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.